Hello baby, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Bank of Russia from far north of digital rebirth in 2024. The Bank of Russia fall to being the conference effort and fulfillment of the digital remote to youth from not acquainted to our proper digital each month play youth from the 2023 and 2025 formed as the development of the said digital currency called the monetary under it the currently called often financial in research to temple. Russia can back to introduce digital report currency in the year. The back of the Russia foreign has become public and after research. The shot on the main page for its money public in the next hard year the paper left turn on ever take care. Glass from the regard will be the recording of digital effort of the 20 feet currency they report and research in 2024 the Bank of Russia will be to greatly cleanse all queen in the today digital report plan and the number of rebel female of the and short king said something will the fall can improving of the digital report will be into your time some of the pattern scale as to fit money as well as the community of non-banking financial organization and assured effort in 2025. The Russia crypto nets ought be made when the back the upper toward in the cradle back digital currency will all market part to and to the with coins the ever to back also market the if not currency short my effort the lifetime hour of digital report that can be helped I think called offering mine on they can be trans with a certain we can have what not can permit your tan shop study of the making same time but the Bank of Russia decided not offer long scan of the of funds when the pine as trading fees instead capitally B of India. Pine and House program for Russia back the digital report so chef I indication incanality to endure. They offer to and back coins they under. Okay, baby. Thank you very much. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you.